Hello to my friend. My name is Ali Ibrahimi. We have a welding table project in SolidWorks. It's the result. I want to start it in a 3D sketch. We have some feature you learned during the tutorial video. The feature like 3D sketch. We have a welding environment structure member and a lot of tube. We have a trim or extend, and as you see, we have the end cap, gasket, and weld bead. It's the important feature you should know about the welding environment. Let's go to the drawing. We have a two drawing. One of them is a 3D sketch. I dimension all. We have a structure. This is the top view. It's the square. The dimension is 1000 millimeter, or dimension are in millimeters. Another drawing, we have the type of the structure or member. We called it a square tube. Uh, it's the size in a description table. And we have another part is different from the structure. I called it part 1. Part 1, we have a 4 plate that hold the old structure base on the ground, and some feature we need to magnify and dimension it. I bring it here. Let's go to the SolidWorks, press Ctrl N, new, go to the part. In a welding environment, okay, right click on a toolbar, you can activate welding. If your welding tab is on the active, it's here. Okay, it has a tick. I deactivate it. Look, it's disappear. Again, right click and select the weldments. It's activate. We have a 3D sketch. You can run it here in a development environment, or you can go to the sketch. Under the sketch 2D, we have the 3D sketch. It doesn't different. I use in development 3D sketch. Okay. Click the center. Click the center rectangular. Look, it shows you about the XY plane, but I want to change it by the relation redefine to XZ plane. Click on the edge of uh, rectangular. I want to parallel with X. Okay, select all. Okay, select this line. I want to align about the Z. Look, it's changed. We have a square in a 3D base. We have the 1000 millimeter is the square sign. We don't need the dimension, the vertical size. It's the extra. Okay, make a relation with this line and this line is equal. Make amends 1000 millimeters. Okay, it's the fully defined. I want to create, look, When you drag it, the line it shows you is a parallel about the XY plane or it's along the Y axis. I just drawing one of the leg remain the tree base. I want to mirror it about the plane. It's the fast and save your time. The length of the legs is 700 millimeters. Okay, select it, but we have another profile. Look, it's a network shape. We have another square in the center of the square. Select the rectangular. As I said, make relation. Look about the line X. This is about the parallel along Z. Like make this line linear. Okay, look, it's moving along the diameter construction. The dimension from the first edge is 200. This line and this line is 80, 800. The total length is 600. It's 600. Okay. We have this line and this line. Each side totally we have the 8 short line. I just create just 2 of them. This line and this line. Okay, first make parallel about together. This line and this line is a parallel. This is the line Z. Okay, this is the line X axis. This line is a 375 from the vertical. 375 and another one we have the 625. Okay, again from the below lines we have a 375. Another is 625. It's the same dimension about the before lines I create. I want to mirror it. Select the line but for construction. Select the midpoint to midpoint, origin to midpoint. Okay. Select this line for construction. Okay, let's check it again. This square done. I created two profile, short profile done, and we have the angular line. Let's create. It's a 45. It means it has the two lengths of the edge are the same is 200 millimeters. Okay, rotate, make it this line and this line is equal. Okay, let's dimension it to fully define. This point and this point is 200. Make a degree about the vertical 45 degrees. Okay, it's done. Exit the 3D sketch. Activate developments. Okay, select the structure member. We have the standard is a ISO or ANSI inch. The type we have the scroll, C channel, angle, iron pipe. What we need here a square tube. This size is 80 in 5 millimeters. 5 is the thickness, and you should create the group. For example, this line and this line and this line. For line is a new group. About the short structure, we have another group. You can create a new group. Go to the another drawing that describe the profile. Look, all the profile is 5 millimeters. The type is tube square. Okay, look. I want to select this 8 profile in new group, and I want to about the square profile in number 2. Okay, select this one, this one, this one, and this one is a group 1. Select the new group. I want this one, this one. Okay, select the new group, this line and this line. Select the new group, angle line and angle line. Look, it's cut as the perfect shape about your structure 3D. Okay, select the new group, this base. Drag it down to check another option. We have a mirror profile, or you can change the profile angle about the axis. Okay, I select OK. So I forgot in the inner square create a new group, this line, this line, this line, and this line. Look, it's the middle. As you see, it's easy your modeling. Okay, I want to middle. Look, if you check Each profile shouldn't have engaged together. You can hide it. Look, all the dimension and structure construction line disappear. Okay, I want to mirror this profile about the display. Go to the feature tab, mirror. We have some choose. It's want to select the mirror plane. I want to select the front plane. We have a feature to mirror. If you select this, all your feature mirror. Okay, go to the bodies to mirror, select the bodies. This body and this body. This body, look, it's a preview about your mirror. Select OK. It's create. Again, select the mirror. About this plane, go to the bodies to mirror, select the bodies. This bodies and angular structure. I want to mirror. Select OK. Remain two bodies of our structure. About the display bodies, we have this and this profile. Okay, look, our plane, look, our structure are complete. Let's go to the drawing. We have a plate under the each of the base or legs structure. It's a square. We go to the sketch dimension. Select this face, normal to view. The dimension is 200, but this edge and this edge make the relation equal. Okay, we have some hole here. Okay, it's the relation. I delete it. All have the same dimension, make the relation equal. It's the 35 diameter. Okay, make a relation. Center of the circle and the midpoint horizontal. And this is the vertical. About this circle and this circle as a horizontal. They are located on the pitch. Diameter is 66. Select the circle bots. The diameter is 66. Okay, double it. Sixty-six is the radius. Make a relation coincidence with the center of the whole circle. Coincidence. And this is coincidence. Okay. You can choose it for the construction because we don't need it. It's a temporary exit. We have a thickness. The thickness, I magnify it and detail it in C. The detail C, we have a 20 thickness each plate. Go to the feature extrude. It's the 20 millimeters is the thickness. Okay, look, I want to mirror it. Mirror this body, the plane to mirror. I want to choose it. Again, use a mirror. Okay, we can choose it, the feature as the mirror for the plane. I think it's make error. Okay, let's check it. Yes, delete it as the before raise. I want to select this body and this body. Look, it's preview to you. It's correct. Okay, it's also finished. Let's save it. Go to the drawing. We have a gusset here. It's the angular rectangular profile. In structure drawing, I show you. Okay, we have a gusset. It's the weldment environment. We have the gassets. It's show you the supporting face. We have the two face to create the gasset. This face and this face. Look, it's preview to you. The dimension. The dimension is the detail number V. It's here. The gasset is 80. The angle between the two legs is 45 degrees. I change the diamond to 80 millimeters. Okay, select OK. Again. What's this face and this face? We have an option is the thickness. Look, it's going to up and down or in the middle. The thickness is 5 millimeters. You can change it to 10 or 5. It's the location. If you have offset from the top or the down, you can change it diameter here. And this is the profile shape. You can use the rectangular or the polygon profile. Okay, again gassets. Okay, the gassets. Yeah, the gassets. It can stick together the two profile that has a mirror. It's a stronger structure with a welding. We have a welding here. It's the same. It's the symbol of the welding. We have 5 millimeters. It's the diameter of the electrode weldings. Is the standard, and the weld length is 160. But it doesn't matter. The welding location is where I show you just how can you use the welding option. Okay, go to the weld bead. It's want to create the weld bead this face and this face. Look, it's automatically change into the welding work. Look, this face. Okay, it's the 5 millimeters. It's here. It's the gap. It's the 5 millimeters. When you okay, it shows you. It shows you at the symbol is 5. It's make a rectangular back of the vertical edge. Before that, we bring the number of the fillet size. I just show you the velvet. How can you choose and use it? We have a chamfer here, or we have an end cap, for example. You want to end cap from let's drag it. The end of our working tree is here. I disappear all the plates. Port number 1. I want to use the end cap. Okay, select this face. Look, it's changed the. Okay, it's wearing your legs, the end of your legs with the end cap. You can choose a thickness in millimeters, for example, or 5 millimeters. It's the thickness. Look, it's going to up or down or middle. It's the corner. You can create number 3. Change it to 5. I change it to the 5 millimeters. It's offset 1. It's half of the 1. It's the offset. You can change the half of millimeters to millimeters. Look, change half of the millimeter is better. Select OK. Okay, look, it's and your profile, but you can use the end cap. It's some in your job, but here we don't need to end cap because we want to expand the all weights force to 4 legs, and we need to have the plates end of our structure. Okay, this is the expand all stress from the weight force. Let's do check again our drawing. Okay, it's completely done. I don't think so. Anything is remain. Okay. Our profile table welding is finished. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe my channel, like it and support it. It's benefit to others. Please share it. And have a good night. Thanks for your attention and watching. Thanks for your watching and attention. Goodbye till the next project.